Hi everyone, my name is Kia and today I'm here at Smail Kia to show you how to connect your phone to Apple CarPlay in your new 2023 Kia. So all you need is a USB cord and you just plug it in to the USB port down there, and then you go ahead and plug your phone in, and then your phone will automatically connect. You just have to make sure that your Bluetooth and everything is on. Make sure that you allow it so that you can use your voice commands and press the Apple CarPlay button. And now your phone screen is projected onto the vehicle screen. So with that, you can use all of the apps that you usually use on your phone on your vehicle screen. So here you can see all the apps that you have access to: your phone, your music, maps, messages, calendar, and of course your GPS systems. So once your phone is connected, you can do all of these things hands-free. If you push this button on the steering wheel, just hold it in, you can use voice commands to get directions or send a message. So for example, directions to Walmart.
One option is Walmart Supercenter on Greengate Center Circle. Is that the one you're looking for?
Yes.
Getting directions to Walmart Supercenter.
So then you get your directions to wherever you need to go, and there's different options. So if that wasn't the one I wanted to go to,
Starting route to Walmart Supercenter.
you could say no and she'll give you options for the...
Proceed to George Station Road, then turn left.
So if that wasn't the option that you wanted to use, you could have said no, and you can get directions to the one that you wanted to go to. You can also send text messages and make phone calls by pressing the same button and using voice commands. So that is how you connect your phone to Apple CarPlay in your new Kia. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, or you can visit us right off of Route 30 in Greensburg or at smailkia.com.